Hey, what's up? So it's been a week, and today is day number 8 for the devlog, and the progress is going really good, I might say. And I'm starting getting a little bit better with this, making those videos. So I created topics to discuss on this video. So I will not get lost, and I will be able to convey everything that is happening. I created a skill that tells Codex to go and check everything that I've been working on since yesterday video, and so I'm able to capture it all. Wait, give me the summary. Yeah, this is the summary of everything that I did from yesterday. But this is a little bit hard to read. We can pause and read if you like. And then here, those are easy to digest topics, and I'm going to tune it a little bit more to make the summary information and those topics more nice. All right. So for the first topic, three new playable titans. Yes, this is a continuation from yesterday. I'm investing into new titans, and check this out. There's also a new page that I created for um, for selecting your hero. Um, you don't have a button to just go and start playing. So there is a room for tuning this up, but high beauty, that looks good. Here's another one. This is actually the ones that we had. Here's her. I think her hands are a little bit into her body, so I need to maybe regenerate her and give it few shots. And and the hands here as well. The hands, I don't like the hands. I like the body, not the hands. So work in progress. For the humans, we have this guy. What are all the black things that I'm seeing here? I think it's a bug because the models don't have black holes in them. So another thing to fix. And then this is the ones that I'm going to remove. This is the legacy one. It's 1 million meshes, which is too expensive. So cool. And yeah, after scrolling down, we have enter the world. So let me choose one of the new folks and enter the world. All right. By the way, yesterday I complained about FPC, and literally 10 minutes after I left, Codex was able to fix it, and I got 120 FPS on this laptop, which is rocks, man. It's so good. It's so good. All right. So there is a new mini map, which is awesome. A bunch of new stuff that I can do. What is she doing? I'm trying to attack, and it doesn't look like I can attack. Ah, come on. Okay. So right now the attack got broken. It literally broke like 10 minutes earlier. Um, let's see what else on my list. So three new playable titans, cinematic chart selection done. 11 new creature models. Yeah, this is a cool one. So I worked on new mobs. What conversation was it? That was that one. And it took me a while. It was painful. It didn't it wasn't easy. Yeah. We started with this image of mobs, which is yeah, I feel like it doesn't fill the design of the game. So it gave me this, which is a joke. Then it gave me that one, which is the same mob with different colors. And then it gave me this one, which is slightly better. Those are all the ideation images. This is like a huge time saver. Instead of asking it to generate an image of a mob, you're asking it to generate, give me 20 images, then whatever image you like, you just zoom in. You ask it to enhance, and it's awesome. Um, I didn't like any of them. I didn't like any of this. I asked it to generate a bunch of images, and I didn't like anything. I even I even went into planning mode so it will better understand my mind. And then it came to all those. Why it's not sliding properly? Yeah, came into all those animals, which actually I like more, but I still didn't took. Wow, check this line. Actually, this line is cool. Maybe I'll be coming back for the line. Yeah, but I didn't like any of them. Then then give me some color finally, and I started to like those more. I started to like those more, but those looks like bosses creatures for me. So I asked it to give me the level 1 option, and it gave me the baby variation. Well, from level 1 it will grow to those as it mature, which is funny. I didn't like it. Actually, no, sorry. For this one, I liked it. I liked it, and I told it, yes, let's try. And I went with the top left one. Um, Let me show you. I took it right here. You see, it's it's in in a Mixamo, and it's not. I had a lot of problems with it. So those are all the animations I can apply to it. Let's take this one. This one. It looks really good. Let's go with combat, and let's take. Yeah, you see, the hands go into the head. I don't know why it's so hard to find a good mob so it doesn't do that, and you can play with the hands, so they allow you to spread the arms. Look what it is doing. It's not working well. Look, well, of course it will work well when I'm trying to show an example where it breaks. But yeah, I didn't. I ended up saying that I don't like it, and I continued the journey. Um, this is me just generating the model of it, and after that guy, back to the drawing table. I told it we need creatures with smaller heads. Big head is bad for us. So it gave me this. Another scary movie. So I moved on, and then it gave me this. And honestly, on this picture, I love all of them. I really do. I like almost every creature in this image. It looks so good. This is what I want. Those are the creatures that I want. And I selected those guys, told it to generate them, and here we are. The end of the day was over. So I just really liked it. So let me pick at least one and just show you how it's going to look like. I guess I need to switch to the web view. Yeah, and here I have a folder with all their names. So the first one is Soothclaw. Let's see what it's going to be. So I'm going to the web. I'm clicking character. We can only have one at a time at the Mixamo. Otherwise, I would showcase you all the characters at once, but they are limiting me for this one. And it's a free service, by the way. So there is no premium option here. They are just really. I really like Mixamo. So the wolf. What was it supposed to be before? So the wolf was this guy. All right. So it's not exactly the same. I think it got all the fur from it. Yeah, it's a funny one, but it's okay. Let me show how it works. So now I need to rig it, and placing the chin. Next, the wrists, elbows. I'm always picking the muscle points, and then the knees and the groin. Great. Then next, and it takes about a minute or so to rig it, which I really like. After it's getting rigged, I have a process with Codex to go and apply all the animations for it. This is what I have for the heroes. For the mobs, I guess I first need to decide what animations I want to use. So for the first time, I will be manually downloading and selecting what animations I want. And then Codex will be able to use the browser flow to go and do that for the rest of the mobs. Also, it found a nice shortcut where it just was able to. Oh God, why it's always messing up the head? All right, I'll show you what I'm doing to fix it, but I'm not going to do the entire thing because it's take time. So I'm downloading it. And actually, not this one. I'm downloading the T-pose. So it will be visible in a better way. And then I'm loading it into Blender. So I'll give you a quick preview of the work that I'm doing there, but I'm not going to do it all now. So do I have Blender open? I don't even have it open. All right, I'm opening Blender. All right, Blender is open. Now I can show you. So deleting that. I'm taking the file, I'm dropping it in, importing it. Then I'll go to this view and I'll switch to weighted paint. And in here, when I'm going to, no, it wasn't data. Oh, I don't remember. Was it? Yeah, it's weight paint. That one for sure. I'm supposed to be able to select the bones. So there's some list of the bones. Oh yeah, in the data. Here we go. So in here, this is the neck, and it selected the face. So I need to fix that. I will just go and first I'll need to hide the bones. They are annoying. Yeah, there's the bones. So I need to click to paint it, so I can decide to paint that area. So red is the permanent color. the stronger color. But here I need to delete. So to delete, I'm clicking Control, and I'm painting it like this. And I bet somebody with actual Blender knowledge will laugh at me and say that there is so much, it's so easier to do. But this is how I'm doing it. And I'll fix it, and then the head will be fine. The head itself needs to be all red, you see, because it's right on the top, and then in the bottom it's losing it, so it's not taking the entire head into consideration. So I will need to go here and draw all of those things. You know what? Well, let me just fix the head. Only the head. Because that's actually very, very fast to do. So fix the head, and then I'm telling. I also need to tell Codex to fix the file, because what's happening when I'm doing file and then export to FBX. So go to downloads and then move to export. Then I can go to Codex and tell it, it's working those guys. Please fix up to a FBX at the downloads folder. So I can upload it to it will go and it will fix it. The problem, when I'm saying fix, the problem is with the texture. If I'll try to upload it as is right now, it will happen. Yeah, upload character, going and grabbing color. So going grabbing my file, it uploaded, but it's missing the texture. But I'm doing it anyway now because I realize the texture will be fixed, but now I will be able to see if I fix the head or not. So that's the quick thing that I just want to show you. And now because it's already rigged, it will skip rigging it. It will just go to next, and I didn't fix it. I think it's a little bit better actually. But yeah, I just need to go through all the bones and fix all of them. So it's very annoying. All right, this is what I wanted to share there. Let's see what else we haven't discussed. So, new creatures. Combo feels more reactive, but combo is broken for some reason. The reactiveness is that now instead of having this chase where I'm clicking space and it's starting to chase creatures, each time when you click space, it just performs an attack, and attacks can be queued. So it got really nice. It feels much better. Let's see. Maybe it will behave now, and I'll be able to show it to you anyway. We'll just refresh it one time. Let's see if she all of a sudden starts to attack. Yeah. All right. So I don't know what was the issue before. Let me show how it works. I really like the minimap. Minimap is awesome. So now it's a like the feeling is so much better. When I'm attacking, I'm able to perform quick attacks. I'm in more control, how I'm going about those attacks. She looks good, you know. Before I was saying that she doesn't look good with the arms in the body, but look, when I'm attacking, it actually looks nice. Gone, Titan lady, whom I called Zoro. Yeah, look at you. Nice job. Yeah, I have this bug with the screen where it's just jumping, and I have no idea why. I haven't investigated that too much yet. The colors, by the way, they look really good for for the screen. And I'm not sure if I showed it last time. What happened now with the camera? I added settings where you can adjust the speed of the rotation, so it goes from 1 to 1.5 of your current speed, and it works very well. It really helped me to tune it to where I really like it. So maybe this is another aspect of control. This is works really good now. I bet you will not see any game with characters that looks like that. Usually they are all um, stars and a perfect body. So I really wanted to show somebody who is more the average Joe person in both the Titan race and the human race. I wanted to be more real. I wanted to feel more more for our world and not something that it's was taken out of a book of some comics. All right, let's see what else. Maybe I covered all. So attack controls, real map of the island, yes. Minimap is awesome. Better grass and smoother world, yeah. The performance jumped up. Cleaner control on the mobile and desktop. We discussed the new keyboards and new public development law. All right, so this is the last thing I wanted to show you today. We go to login. In here, there is a new devlog of all the videos that I'm making. So again, I'm trying to polish it. I'm trying to start making the videos in a more nicer way with that. So yeah, lots of fun. I hope people will start leaving me comments on the game on the videos. This is really why I'm doing this. I want to get feedback for the game. I want to see your comments telling me what to do, how to shape the game, your ideas. I mean, man, I'm moving so fast. I can really iterate and bring all your fantasies to life. So just let me know. Just let me know, man. I want to do it. I'm super bullish about this. I think it's going to be an amazing game. Can't wait for it to be that to be done. All right. See you tomorrow. Cheers.